Okay, so all you need to do to make Ninth Street Media a manager of your Google business profile is start by doing a Google search for your business. Now, once you've found your business, you should see your little Google search results right here off to the right, and you should also see your business on Google with these icons. If you don't see these, there is a good chance that the reason is you may not be logged in to the right profile, so you would need to click on this icon in the upper right, and if you have more than one profile, it will allow you to switch profiles. And once you're logged into the Google account associated with your Google Business profile, you would then see this pop up on the screen. Now, once you're here, you're going to come to these three dots. You're going to click on Business Profile Settings. You're going to click on People and Access. You're then going to click Add, and then you can choose owner or manager. It defaults to manager, and that's fine. I'm not the owner of your business, so leave Ninth Street Media as the manager. And the email address that you're going to want to add is ninthstreetmediamail@gmail.com. So you might get a drop down like that. You'll see you can pick Jason Roberts and then click invite. Now, I'm not going to click invite because I'm obviously already the manager, but once you do that, you're done. It's going to send me an invitation and it'll send you an email uh, reminding you or informing you that you sent this invite out, and then I'll accept the invitation. And once I do, you'll get an additional email notification telling you that I've accepted it and now am a manager of your profile. And it's just as easy as that.